Hello friends, I am Shivaji Walke. In today's session of agrotourism, we are going to learn about best management practices on agrotourism centers, or what are the best management practices which need to followed for effective running of agrotourism center. So we'll see what are that best management practices. First one, authentic farm and ranch experience. It is important to keep in your mind that your farm or ranch is often the face of farming and ranching in your community, region, and state. We know when agricultural and tourism sectors come together, we are getting agrotourism. So your farm or your tourism center always should touch of agricultural activities, farming activities, and ranching activities. It should be face of farming and ranching things. Then a product you offer to your visitor may be the experience of farm and ranch livings. So different products or different facility or different services you are offering to your tourists, it should touch of farm and ranch livings. For example, you are offering food, so food should be organic, or food should be nutrition in nature, or food should be cooked in rural manners like on chula. Then if you are offering accommodation facilities, then accommodation facility should have touch of rural things. It should be in open sky, or it should be in any rural structures. Then it is also important to understand what aspect of agricultural your local associations like agricultural tourism and marketing emphasize in your regions, so that you can develop your own niches in coordination with an other farms and attraction nearby. So this tourist would like to visit along with your tourism center to another attractive points near to your tourism centers. So for this purpose, you can join hand or you can coordinate with an nearby attractive points. Then second one, that is educational experience. Farm and ranch can offer an agricultural oriented educational experience suitable for the different ages. So we know what are the different principles of the agrotourism: something to see, something to do, and something to buy. Okay, in something to do, this urban areas tourists or the foreign peoples would like to perform the various agricultural tasks or learn the different agricultural tasks like harvesting of crops, sowing of crops, then doing various cultivation operations in agricultural or fishings. Okay, so it will give the educational experience to the tourist. Food and fiber productions, then land storage, then history of the agriculturals, which also like to by these visitors. Then third one, customer service. We have already seen what is an customer service or what is an hospitality. This should be the integral part of your business planning. Training your staff to interact with an customer in an appropriate way will ensure a safe and high quality experience of the customers. Okay, train your staff or train your family members for communicating with an visitors or communicating with an foreign customers or foreign tourist. Okay, so they give them the training for regarding the communication skills or regarding the how to take calls while on receptions. Okay, and experience of for the customers. So your happy customers will create the impact or will tell the another peoples for visit this particular agrotourism centers, or even he or she would also like to visit again and again to your agrotourism centers. Then adequate public facilities. Your farm or ranch need to have sufficient capacities, that is staff infrastructural, to provide basic services as a parking, transportation, then signage, then customer assistance, educations, and road. So your farm should having the adequate public facilities or you should have the sufficient public facilities like staffs, then other infrastructure facilities like parking, transportation, signage, then customers assistance, educations and roads. In order to maintain the safe and customer friendly business, the provision of services and facilities like restaurants become the necessary. So your farm or your agro-tourism centers always rich with an various public facilities or various infrastructural facilities like rooms, then safe accommodation facilities, then food or transportation or various signage, or the how to reach to your destinations or how to reach to your agro-tourism centers, then various customer assistant or customer services, then education or we can say the agricultural educations, then the roads. Okay, various adventurous performing the various adventurous things for that things the trained person, or for that purpose when need and the various that adventurous things. Okay, so your farm should having always should having the adequate public facilities, then safe and accessible environment. So along with providing the various adventurous things or along with the providing the this agricultural experience, we always should take care about the safety of the visitors. You should ensure that your properties and facilities are maintained and compliance with an zoning, health and food safety and environment regulations. So your facilities or service are from the permission of zoo department or the health department or the food safety department, and as per the environment regulations for the purpose of safety of the your visitors or tourists, safety from the various wild animals or safety from the various surroundings, any nearby dangerous peoples. Then community relations. To create good community relation, it is an important to regularly provide opportunities for organized groups and individuals in your community to visit your properties like schools and business associations. So along with your farms, this tourists would like to visit the nearby sites also. For this purpose, you can create the community relationships or maintain the relationships with an nearby bodies like an schools or any business association or any attractive points. Then planning for financial futures, because this financial is an major aspects in a agro-tourism centers. So you need to regularly review your business plans and appropriately add the values or the price or the cost to the farm and ranch services, products and experience in a order to provide for a long-term sustainability in your business. So along with maintaining these different services or facilities, you need to take care about the financial part also. Is our tourism center is generating the efficient funds or not, or is it an rising the incomes or not? So these things also need to take care. So this is about the whole today's sessions. Now what we learn today? Today we have seen about the best management practices on agro-tourism center. So these are the authentic farm and ranch experience. Means your farm or your tourism centers should have touch of agricultural or ranch or farming activities. So these people would see can enjoy this farming or agricultural activities. Then educational experience. Farm and ranch can offer an agricultural and oriented activities. Okay, this visitors would like to enjoy or would like to gain knowledge about these agricultural sectors. Means how the farmers are growing the crops, or how they are doing the various cultural operations like weeding or even harvestings. Then how they are cooking their foods. So they would like to learn these different things. Then customer service, providing the customer service or hospitality at agro-tourism centers. Make your customers happy or make your customers feel safety and happy. Then adequate public facilities. So in your agrotourism centers, there should be an adequate facilities like efficient staff, then efficient infrastructure, then parking facilities, then transportations, then how to reach to your agrotourism centers, then customer services, and then for the educating the tourists need and various manpowers, then roads connectivities, then what is a safe and accessible environment. So the your place or your agrotourism place should be have safe and accessible to the tourist. There should be no any hazards to the your visitors. Then community relations. So for maintain, you need to maintain the community relationships, that is relationship with an another thing or other bodies. Like if you were if you in your agrotourism centers nearby, if any SSGs and workings and they are making the good handicrafts, then you can maintain the relationships by offering the marketplace for their showing their products in your agrotourism centers. Then you can maintain the relationship with various schools. Okay, then planning for the financial futures. So need to look for the financial aspect also, profitabilities or cost things or the price things about your agrotourism center. So this is about the all today sessions. I hope you have understand. If not, please ask me. Thank you.